This is John Speweik with Speweik Preservation Consultants, and we're here in Madison, Wisconsin, working with the owners and the architects working on this project behind me, 1 West Wilson. And today we're going to be executing the training component number 3, repointing installation of the mortar. Participants engaged in a conversation about the Department of Interior standards for rehabilitation and repointing techniques for the installation of the mortar prior to starting the work.
Let's take the 2 bags. Probably needs to be plugged in. Probably unplugged or something.
We got the final finish of the mortar joints now installed. In this detail right here, we've got the mortar joint going in. We got a flush finish profile here where the stone comes down to this stone. Right here we've got a concave finish coming down the mortar joint in this area. So that's the finish of the joint profile, and at the conclusion of the training day, the participants went back to the trailer to take the written test and receive their hard hat stickers on the conclusion of the program.